So, question 8 for functions. Four relations are shown below. State which relations are functions. Explain why the other relations are not functions. Now, this was question number 26 on an exam. This is not multiple choice. We're evaluating each one of these scenarios to determine whether or not it's a function. So I want to look at number 2 first. And notice that we're looking for cheating x's. Mr. Smith's relationship advice: if the x's cheat, your relationship does not function. So here, if we look at 2 or we look at 1, both of those are what's known as cheating x's. So number 2 cannot be considered a function. Next, I want to go over and look at number 3. Notice that we have -4, 0, 4, and 6 for our inputs. There's no reason to assume that this is not a function. All the x's are unique. So I don't know exactly what the function is for this table, but this is definitely a function. Now, when I take a look at number 1, cheating x's mean that we have the same x for two different y's. So if we look at the graph on the left, you see that open circle tells us we can have an open circle and a closed circle on the same vertical line. That passes. But when we go over there to this point, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6, 4, and 6, 6 is a cheating x. So our outputs, when I put 6 in, I don't know what I'm going to get out. I could get 4 or I could get 6. And that means that does not function. So we also eliminate choice number 1. Now, lastly, we look at the function y equals x squared. So in this case, this is a quadratic function. I can graph this in my graphing calculator as f of x equals x squared. So I'm guaranteed that all my x's are going to be unique. Therefore, my answer is that 3 and 4 are functions and that 1 and 2 are not. Okay, finally, this question says explain why the other relations are not functions. So our explanation, choices 3 and 4 are functions since every x value maps to only one y, but choices 1 and 2 have the same x mapping to more than one y. So remember, when you see that explain, you have to write a sentence and explain in words what you understand to be true.